So hey guys, and welcome to the Ruislip Lido. So today, June the 16th, or even this weekend, June 15th, 16th, marks 40 years of the Ruislip Lido Railway's opening. And so yeah, we've had an opening day going on today. Just a little plaque there to commemorise it. But yeah, this is where I used to be, a nice part of my childhood. Every time I come to Lido, we'd ride the train from the beach over to the water's edge. And so, like I say, being 40 years, thought we'd come and have a look, see what we've got to look at today. As you ride the railways, a few fun facts for you. So, the Ruislip Lido Railway is the longest 12-inch gauge railway in the entire UK, and also the only one that exists, because most railways at this scale are 12.5 inches, whilst this one's 12 inches on the slot. So, only one in the UK that exists. It's 1.12 miles long, and initially only ran for about 0.4 miles. So there is a turn-back loop that was soon to pass the original track for this section. A couple of years ago, I think it was in the 1980s, they decided to extend the railway a little bit and bring it all the way down to Willow Lawn, down to Water's Edge. So now goes around about 50% of the Ruislip Lido Railway, and there you go. So now come to Ednors Loop, which is where the passing track goes. Now there is Mad Bess, the steam train that runs the Ruislip Lido Railway, and also I believe it's the second oldest railway here. So it's a wood steam train, wood-fired steam train. Passing on the other side, and yeah, like I say, longest 12 inches in the UK, and also one of the oldest as well. So initially opened in 1945. It used to be completely private and owned by a company who ran it until a few issues happened. There was actually a crash in 1968, 1969. So the trust that formed opened in 1979, and it's the trust, the volunteers, that now have their 40th anniversary here at the Ruislip Lido Railway. So it's like today and yesterday there was also the open day, so I could run the railways for free, and it has been a good day so far. Everyone is out here, everyone's enjoying it, and it has been good. So almost at our destination. We haven't passed the original loop yet, I don't think, but we'll let the grab shots out of that, so we'll do go past. Returning a week later to discover more about the line, I was invited by a driver to sit inside the cab and join them for a journey up and down the line. This was certainly a lot of fun, and not something that's too commonly done, which made it an extra bonus for me. Riding in the back of John Rennie, space was certainly small, and being next to the engine made the cab very warm, but the experience itself was certainly worth it, and something that I'll definitely try and do again at some point.
Just past the middle over.
No worries. So, 10 worries. 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 And with that, our journey on the Ruislip Lido Railway comes to an end. If you're interested in riding the railway yourself, they do run on most weekends, albeit in January when they do a few track works to improve the railway for the year. With access to and from the Ruislip Lido, not too difficult either. Being London's secret beach per se, it also certainly makes for a great day out, especially with the recent works and renovations they've done to the local area, even if not just visiting for the railway. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do leave a like if you did, do subscribe as well, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.